What's up, y'all? Just changed the oil in the truck and I noticed that it had a saggy diaper on the back. I just learned that it's called the saggy diaper. I never heard of that before, but let me show you what the saggy diaper looks like. All right, so this is actually, they call it a saggy diaper because it kind of sags and on the bottom whenever one of the sides is tore. So this side's fine over here, but this side here tore. So I went off-roading and came back to find that this thing ripped off. These things run about $130, $150, something like that. You can get an upgraded one for a couple $100 also. All right, so let me tell you where it goes real quick. It kind of sits here, right? It bolts up there in the front, 2 bolts there, and then 1 bolt here. I just did the oil change on this, and I realized it was damaged, so it was hanging out on one side. It is kind of an important piece. It does, just a deterrent for your cats. It's also the transfer case, and the transmission is right there. So, it's just a splash guard. It's just like the debris and stuff doesn't just go in there, right? It's not as strong as the metal one, right? Maybe that's where the upgrade's going to be. But let's repair it temporary, and then see about ordering something online to replace it. All right, so the back corners are the weak points. This corner and this side, you can see how I just tore off the material itself. On my previous truck, I had it for like 150,000 miles. I never had any issues with it coming off, but here, this front part, it actually sits pretty well. It's just this back corner. So here's my idea. I'm gonna put a piece of metal going all the way across to brace it, and then kind of attach it here and here and here and here also, just to give it some strength. See how that works. So what piece of metal? So I just happen to have this little yardstick, right? And I did this a while back when I had to use it as a Slim Jim in case it, like in an emergency. So hey, an emergency Slim Jim, here you go. That's how you make it. But it already has a hole on one side, so it's perfect. I already measured it. Did a little dot there. It's about 35 inches. 34 inches, something like that. So I'm gonna put a hole in there, right? And then kind of muck it up, and then I'm put another screw, like something to hold it in here where the hole is, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna muck this up here like that and like that. I didn't measure it to this. I actually measured it to the bottom, right? So this kind of curves a little bit. Maybe I should have just left a little space in it, but it's all right. It's all right. I can make a little wider spaces if we need to. So I think I'm gonna put a screw here, and then one here, and then one here, right? Just kind of hold everything in. It's just some temporary screws. I think these will work. These little bolts will work. Hold everything in. Maybe this one, maybe something smaller. Okay, so we're gonna put one right in the middle here. I'm gonna do one right here. I'm gonna do one right here where this hole is too. Okay, so 3 holes made, and I went ahead and filed these down a little bit because it has some sharp edges here. So I filed them down a little bit. Now we're just gonna make little lines here, 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 and put a hole. Okay, so just made a little hole there. Just gonna do the same thing here and here. All right, so it has these little clips in here that kind of hold it in, right? These are just bolted down, and then put a little washer on the back side of these. I did also added a bigger washer on this one to maybe help and grab more space here. All right, we're gonna throw it in there and see what happens. Now, one of them didn't have that little clip. I don't know why it doesn't have this little clip on one, but it's okay. We don't need all of them. All right, so we're just gonna slide this guy in there. See how it kind of goes in there? Just like that. Okay, and this guy goes right here, right? And the other one should go over there. Let's tighten it up, see what happens. Okay, wow, that actually worked a lot better than I thought. I mean, that is sturdy. This is a good idea for Ford to use itself. I mean, why not just add a little metal piece that goes all the way from one side to the other? It gives it so much more support. All right, guys. Temporary fix. Tell me what you think. Did you like it? It's something worth doing. I really think this is something Ford needs to do on all their trucks. Okay, I'm actually going to tell you about this other thing that I did. Another Ford issue that can be fixed afterwards. These little rubber stoppers here, they're held on with plastic. Here's one on this side. And they fall off. Right? It goes just like that. Right? But they fall off. These are the little plastic pieces that kind of hold on to it. Just little clips. You could probably go and buy another clip on like this, but it's probably going to break again. So what I did is I put a little screw in there. Right? I found a screw that fits perfect. I don't even know what size this is, but it fits right in here, like straight in. I'm not going to put it in because you have to push it out, but see, it fits right in, very, very nice and tight. And then on here, you just got to cut this a little bit bigger to make it go in, right? You could probably find one that's a little less coarse of a thread, but I'm just going to make this a little bigger here and it'll go right in. Okay, see, all you're doing is just removing a little bit of the aluminum from the outside, and then this thing will go right in. Right, and I'll tell you what I used. 5/16 is what I used, just to remove a little bit of that. Okay, so I'm just gonna push the screw into the rubber, and then line it up and tighten it there. Let's see if I can just start this by hand. All right. And watch, look how easy it goes in. Stay. See? Nice and tight. Both sides. I didn't go nowhere. Don't have to worry about no plastic either. Trash this. Watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some of the videos that I have. Deuce.